Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very busy video. We have a lot to go over, but we are going to be making, to start, giving an overview of what we're doing, we're going to be making a Christmas list kind of tracker theme. So if you are new here, welcome. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. So, realizing that Monday was Labor Day, I did not properly schedule my video to go up on Monday, but I did want to announce the giveaway winner from last week in this video, and I'm also very late on announcing the winner from the Facebook group that I have, where we have competitions or really just challenges of let's see your spreads, and we kind of pick a theme for the week, and then everyone participates and the members vote, and that is how we determine the winner. So the winner of this week's spread, you can see below, is I'm going to say her name wrong, but Saban Givens, and that you can see the photo of her wonderful spread. It's absolutely stunning, and we're linking all her social media information as well if you want to start following her or getting information from her. She is a great, obviously very talented planner girl, planner babe. So, and then in the later we're going to announce as soon as we start actually doing something, we're going to announce the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is just looking for I want something kind of Christmassy themed, but not like super Christmas themed washi, just really. And I do have Christmas-themed washi. Let's just do these little green hearts. That's kind of Christmassy. It's a green, right? Green's Christmas. Oops, I'm dropping washi everywhere. It's rain and washi. Hallelujah. So who's going to watch? Now, you actually maybe already have, because this will probably go up right before. You'll actually probably be watching this video simultaneously while watching the Happy Planner release and or after. But I will tell you, I watched the first one already. And out of the first part of it, I can say that although I loved the Supermom accessories, I love the idea of the planner too, but I do need a little bit more than that. Super cute though, absolutely super cute. I loved the Faith Warrior planner. I will be getting one of those for just journaling and Bible studying and doing that. Not as necessarily as much of a planner, daily planner for like life and stuff, but more just my faith planning portion of it. Oh gosh, this is all crooked for some reason. Normally I'm pretty good at this, but right now I'm just crumbing it up. But yeah, so that is my next, still a little crooked, but I'm going to go with it. That is my next faith planner for sure. But the Socialite was definitely my favorite of the night. So I'm very excited to see. Although I will be honest with you, I did not see anything I liked as much as the Glam Girl thus far. So the accessories, the dry erase board was really super, super awesome. And I think if you didn't get to see it, I don't know how long the video stays up, but I think that there is another video that is coming out. So there's another release today, which you'll probably be watching this after that release is over, but the Instagram TV stays on for 24 hours, I think. So you might be able to go rewatch it. But there's also another one that they're going to do on the YouTube channel that's going to be just basically a more detailed version of what or not even detailed necessarily, but just a more accessible version of what they have, what they're doing. All right, so I'm going to be using the Gold Star quotes, then all the seasonals, because I want some Christmas stickers, and the colorful boxes. All right, Merry and Bright. Well, actually, I'm going to use this one, Holiday Market Shopping. And then if I can find another Christmas present somewhere, I'm going to kind of even it out, or I'll put something else over there. All right, so this is going to be very specific depending on how many people you have to purchase for. So without assuming that you have, look, I have used like so many of these out of the, it looks like Christmas threw up on my planner last year. Like, no joke. It was just like Christmas on everything. No. These are really pretty. I like this one a lot, but it's a little bit more what's the right word? Like, not as animated. It's a little, I mean, it's still animated, obviously, but merry everything and happy always. That's still really cute. All right, so I'm getting off sidetracked here. I don't think I see anything like I have to have. I think I'll use this if I have to make a decision, but yeah. And then down here, I'm going to put this little snowman because he's cute. Okay. All right. Yeah, I kind of feel like the 'tis the season too, but I liked so many of this, I don't want to use them all. You know, that's like not what I want to do. Maybe I'll do this little one too. Yeah, I like that one up there. That was a good pick. Although I got to cut off her little hat, or I got to remove her. Let's see if I can just like pop them up. Nope, you know what? We're just gonna, boop, she doesn't need that little hat anyways. All right, so what this is intended to be is it's intended to be a place for you to keep your list of ideas for people, but also kind of help to stay in budget because it gets very costly and I don't want to break the bank this year. So I'm trying to be a little bit more conscientious about how I spend my funds, I suppose, because I go a little bit insane on Christmas, and it's not pressure or because I feel like I have to. It's legitimately just because I love buying presents for people. Like, that's just no other way to put it. So, I need to do a little bit better job of budgeting. So, what I'm going to do now is, and I'm totally just eyeing this, so I don't, like, know if you, like, want to be specific, but I'm not. I'm just laying down boxes. Now, these are going to be the gift ideas. I wonder if I can do like 3 rows. Let me see if I'm going to put one right here. I like it. And I'm really just eyeballing them, so it could be really crooked. Sometimes this is why I do like the washi on these things, because it does help me to be a little bit straighter for whatever reason, but... Okay, so the first is always the hardest because then you can kind of get straightened out from there. But, so this is the idea behind it, is the gift ideas followed by, and apparently silver is like my favorite one because it's the one I've used the most of. Followed by, this can be the name of the individual. And this is column number 1. And the reason why I say this is because I start buying Christmas presents a little bit early if I find something I really like or whatever. And sometimes it can be a good thing because it like spreads it out so you actually like save more money. But on the bad end of things, if we're talking like why it's not a good idea, then you end up spending more because you'll end up still buying more throughout the season. So really spending that budget. And then what we're going to do after we kind of get a little bit grasp on this is I'm going to do another video to coincide with, excuse me, you're not doing what I want you, coincide with this to kind of complement the budget part of it, because that's part that's like really important to me right now. because I have really big financial goals next year, and I feel like I've done a very poor job of budgeting this year. Very poor job. So, and you know, it costs you more money than you realize by not budgeting. Or even just understanding where your money goes, you know? I mean, I can tell you Happy Planner's gotten a significant amount of mine, but they have also provided me a lot of great resources to do bigger and better things because of the product they produce. So there's nothing wrong with that, right? There's no crime in making money, providing a service and making money for it. All right, then I just want a little, like, something in the middle to, like, balance it. The wreath I could do. That's Halloween. Guys, I don't know. Maybe this. We'll just do a piece of poinsettia. Oops, I got up too high. No. Okay. All right. See, look. All right. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I was going to mix the words together. And then we're going to do a new layer. Now, you might have to have multiple ones of these, but I will tell you, this is not even as much as for, like, my children, and this is more for those people that you have to buy, because, like, my kids, there's no way I could fit that box in there. They would be like way more than that. This is more for those people that you buy presents for that maybe you don't spend as much money on. Maybe they are, or just like a little, like, thinking of you present kind of more. You know, that's not going to work because I put this one, this is going to get down a little bit. We're going off kilter, but that's okay. Yeah, just more the thinking of you type presents that you can get a little expensive and you can get away from, but not necessarily the people that you're buying a lot for. However, we are going to do a budget video for that too. This is just more of a list keeping. And I want to, the reason why, you know, it's like, it's still fall. It feels really super early to be starting this, but it's going to be here like overnight. I'm telling you what, it is going to be here so quick. And I don't want to let it sneak up on me. And I love Christmas. It is absolutely, I go a little bit crazy. I absolutely love it. I contemplated using gold too, but I just really didn't feel like it went with the colors that I have here. Okay. And I really am just like super eyeballing this, so it doesn't necessarily, they're not necessarily in any real order. All right. So and then that's really going to be it for this portion of it. So let me just kind of give you an overview of actually how this is how I'm going to use it. Anyway, what do I want? I want this. And this is where we're going to pop out the gold. Because money is like supposed to be like gold, right? Like not, it used to be like coins and, you know, so. All right. Okay. And I don't have one in front of me, but when I get to my doll, I'm going to put a little dollar sign right there. So here's how I'm going to be using this. Now, of course, there's different renditions of it. I would love to see if you have an idea on this and you're part of my group. I will link the link below if you're not part of my group, so you can become part of my group if you want to. But this is how I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using list, name, budget. So I'm just going to put like Shelly, $25 or whatever it might be. And this is where I'm going to keep track. Now at the bottom, when I've bought their presents and I've purchased them, this is going to go hand in hand. It's going to stay in a planner with a one of those new envelopes. They're like the plastic envelopes. You've seen them. They're pretty, they're newer. They had some with the Glam Girl. I don't have my planner in front of me to show you, but they are going to be receipts are going to be kept in there, and I'm going to be checking it off, and then I'm going to total this amount, and I'm going to see how I did in comparison to the budget amount that I had. So each person's going to get a budget. So if you said 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, then you're at like $175. What did I do in comparison to that amount? So it's just a guideline, except I really do want to get better about it. So it's really important to me to kind of stick a little bit better with that guideline and do a better job. And then I'm going to show you a more detailed list of actually budgeting. So this is going to be for a selective group of people. Over the next 30, 45 days, I'm going to do other intermittent Christmas shopping videos, because this is now, like I said, this is the time when things start. So I'm a little early on the jump train, but I feel like it's important to go ahead and start your Christmas shopping early and stay on budget while doing it. So this is designed to be more of your acquaintance type, friends type individuals, and then really get an idea of your budget price for it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe if you are not already, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Now, to get to the fun stuff, since we're about done with that, I do want to announce the giveaway winner for the giveaway that I did for this. And I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways on my Instagram if you're not following me, with some washi tape. So I have a lot of extra washi tape for Halloween, and I'm going to be doing giveaways with that. So if you want to be part of it, at Megan's Plans, you can go find me there, and you can participate in the fun. But we're giving away this today. It was a release that came out. It's just a little accessory pack that came out this past, I think it was the March release, I think. It might have been a little bit earlier. But a lot of great stickers in there. I actually personally don't even have this for myself, but I always think this is a great pack for new people starting out. So the winner of this today is Trisha McCullough. So Trisha, send me your contact information, email it to the email below, and I would love to get this out to you. I will be truthful. This is my husband does the whole, puts the numbers in and picks the person, and he does that all for me. So he might have photos to link here to show it, but I don't know. I don't pay attention to all that. It's beyond my capabilities. So he does it all for me. But yeah, send me your information below, and I will get this out to you. So woohoo! All right, well, that is it for today's video. Here is an idea. I'm going to use these two pens to get it started. I will post a photo on my Instagram after it's all filled in and ready to go. But this is the start of my Christmas shopping list for new people. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to see other planning videos that have a kind of a more productivity or a tracker or something a little out of the norm, then please click the link below and it'll take you to another batch of videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.